Before you begin your project, you want to make sure your stamping block is on a hard, sturdy surface. Then place your rectangular prism on the stamping block and pull your first stamp out of your letter set. When you're stamping with ImpressArt stamps, you want to make sure that the logo on the side of the stamp is facing you. This will ensure that the letter is stamped in the correct direction. Hold a stamp towards the bottom of the stamp shank and center the stamp on the rectangular prism by feeling for the top and bottom edge of the prism with your fingers that are positioned at the bottom of the stamp. Then hold the stamp flat and firmly in place, making sure you're not tilting the stamp, and anchor the side of your hand. Then take your stamping hammer and give the stamp one hard hit. You're going to follow the same technique to finish stamping your word on this side of the prism. The great thing about this project is that you can stamp different words, messages, dates, or designs on each side of the prism. Now, if you're having trouble keeping your rectangular prism still, you can take 2 pieces of stamp tape and place it on both ends of the prism. This will secure it to the stamping block so it doesn't move while you're stamping. Then you'll lift up the tape, rotate the rectangular prism, secure the tape back down again, and continue stamping. After you're done stamping, remove the tape. And to make your impressions stand out, highlight the impressions on all 4 sides of the prism with stamp enamel marker. You'll wait 3 minutes, give or take, until the enamel dries completely. Once dry, take a paper towel and lightly wipe away the excess enamel from the surface of the prism. Another great thing about this project is that it can be finished in 2 different ways. You can create a necklace by sliding the rectangular prism onto a ball chain and closing the clasp by inserting a small ball into the socket and pulling until it clicks. Or you can create a keychain by taking a split key ring, lifting the end up of the ring slightly with your fingernail, and sliding the prism onto the ring until it's attached.